Hey guys, Steve here from SurfaceScaler, and today I'm going to show you how to make a precedent library in SharePoint. So, first thing you're going to do is open up SharePoint, select Site Contents, create a new document library. I'm just going to call mine Precedent Library, and we're going to leave this Show Inside Navigation option ticked. That makes it show up in the left-hand side over here. So now what we have is a fairly default standard document library to begin with, and we have to add in our customizations. So some customizations that you would want to put in will be, for example, if your precedents are for a specific area of practice, you'd want to put in its major and minor. So you put in major area of practice. I'm going to leave my choices as default, just for the purposes of this video. And I'm going to require that this column contains information. That's going to force users to put data in to this column before they can finish the upload. So I've got major area of practice, going to add another choice. I will do minor area of practice. Leave my choices default again. Select require that this column contains information and save. So next one I want to add in is precedent number. So add that in as single line of text. Because not all precedent numbers are just numbers, so you'd have to add it in so that it can accept characters and things like that. Required that it contains information, and if you want, you can make it enforced unique values so that no one else can add a precedent in with a name that already exists or a number that already exists. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that, hit save, and finally, a very important one, you just want to add in a multiple lines of text entry for notes, so that users can add a bit of context around what the precedent is for or based on, or when you would use it. And you make that mandatory as well, because if you've just got a precedent entry in there and it is blank, there's not a lot of use to a user who's just scrolling through trying to find one. And there we have a precedent library in SharePoint. Thanks. Tune in next week for another tutorial.